Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to hide likes on X, formerly known as Twitter, you've come to the right place. It works the same for Android and iOS, so let me show you how easy it is to do. So to hide your likes, you need to just make your account private. To do it, go to your settings and support and find settings and privacy. Once you go here, you need to go to privacy and safety, and here find audience and tagging. Once you go here, you need to turn on protect your post, your videos, and also I recommend to photo tagging to turn it off. Once you've done that, it means that your account right now is private and no one will be able to see your likes, repost and others. Only people that you are approved will be able to see your likes and other stuff on X. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.